Welcome back, everybody. My name is Weston, aka Full Out, and welcome to Dance with VS, VersaStyle's online street dance tutorials. Today, we are learning the Steve Martin. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the Steve Martin is another one of our favorite dances coming from the 1980s, named after the famous comedian slash actor, Steve Martin. If you look at one of his movies called The Jerk, this is really where I think the foundation of this movement comes in. You see him learning how to have rhythm and learning how to dance. Good movie, Steve Martin, thank you for your contributions. So the dance goes like this. It's really using the bounce. The bounce is key to this dance. We're using the rock as well, but the bounce is really where it's all at for this one. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, feel free to check out our other videos on the bounce and the rock. These are fundamental grooves in hip-hop dance. Without them, really hard to get the other social dances down. So just to review, your bounce goes like this. Give yourself a couple bounces side to side, get those knees warmed up. The rock goes like this. Give yourself some rocks, get the body warmed up. And this is how we're gonna do the Steve Martin. So I'm gonna start traveling this way. It's my right. If you wanna mirror me and go to your left, that's up to you. Or if you wanna go to your right as well, do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna turn my body and I'm gonna give a bounce, right? I'm gonna bounce on my right leg since I'm going to the right, and I'm gonna bring up my left leg and just give one bounce. And just try that, bounce. Just one, you're on one leg. I'm gonna lean my body forward and my left leg is gonna come up. Boom, just like that. Give it one, and one, and one, and one. Good. Now from there, you're stepping one. Now when I step on my left leg, I'm gonna give another bounce, and this time I'm gonna lean back. Boom. And I'm gonna pick up my right leg. It's gonna fishtail, just like the left one did. Back. Yeah, so the first two steps go forward, back. Yeah, and if you're getting real fancy with your groove, have the head. Yeah, we call this the chicken neck or the reverse chicken neck. Yeah, if you can move that head with it, any body part at this point, if you can move extra points, yeah? So the first two steps, 1, 2. Third step, just like the first one, 3. So 3 steps, just like you're walking. 1, 2, 3. Now from there, the fourth step is really just a pivot. This is where things get a little tricky. 1, 2, 3. From here, you're just gonna turn on that foot, boom, and give one more bounce. And that's another lean back, right? Because we just leaned forward, back. Yeah, so that left leg is coming around. Yeah, so all 4 steps, nice and easy. 5, 6, and ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, try it again. 5, 6, and ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now, to go back the other way, as you can see, my body is already going right back to here, and I'm getting ready to step on my left. Yeah? If I'm traveling left, my left leg is stepping first. Cool? So that first step is, again, just a bounce. Boom. Right leg's coming up, leaning forward, the whole deal. Boom. From here, stepping back, boom. Left leg's coming up, stepping forward, just like we were going to the right. Yeah? So let's try to the left. Stepping on the left. 5, 6, and ready, go. Step, step, step. Cool, one more time. 5, 6, and ready, go. Step, step, step. All right? Now, same thing. We gotta do the pivot. We just stepped here, right? So now we pivot on our left, right leg comes out, boom, and another bounce, and that one's on your lean back. Yeah? Let's try just going to the left. 5 and 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool? Just like you're walking. Yeah? Here we go. Going to the right, going to the left. 5, 6, and ready, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Keep going, do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? That is the Steve Martin. Now, what's beautiful about all these dances is you can also make them your own. You can freestyle them. They are social dances. They are meant to be done with people in social settings. So please feel free to get funky with it. Use your shoulders, use your head, use your neck, change up the angle, change up the rhythm, the timing, the level, whatever you want to do, apply it. And I say that because now we're going to do it with some music. Yeah? So we'll do a couple of 8 counts, just straight up regular, just follow me. I'm even going to flip it to the back, and that might help with some of the follow-alongs. But then we're going to freestyle it. And you just take it wherever you want to go. You could watch me, you could play it on your own, but I'm just going to play with some, little timings and things. All right, let's do it with some music. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. To the back. 5, 6, 7. All right, now make it your own. 5, 6, 5, 6. And that's the Steve Martin. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you had some fun with it. Play around with it on your own, at home. Throw on your favorite song. Do what you do with it. Teach your sister, teach your brother, teach your mom, teach your dad. Have fun with it, yeah? Thank you for tuning in to another tutorial, Dance with VS, our online street dance series. You can always like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for all of our videos. We got dance videos, civics videos, performance videos. We got all kinds of stuff on our YouTube channel. Feel free to check it out. And of course, follow us on Facebook, Versastyle Dance Company. Check us out on Instagram at VersastyleLA. You can always find me on Instagram at FullOut89. But until then, we'll catch you next time.